everyone, it's Ali Flores again with Orlando Vacation, and guess what? We have a new ride to talk about, okay? Disney's Ratatouille ride at Epcot. What is it? Join us as we dive into what exactly Remy's Ratatouille adventure is. And like always, go ahead and hit subscribe and that bell icon so every time we upload a new video helping you out, you get notified. All right, what's the new Ratatouille ride? Remy's Ratatouille Adventure is the newest 4D attraction at Walt Disney World's Epcot, located inside the newly expanded France Pavilion section of the World Showcase. Based on the Disney and Pixar film Ratatouille, this trackless simulator allows guests to join Chef Remy through the famous fictional restaurant, Gastos. Guests are given special glasses to put on before they step into their very own trackless rat vehicle that will whisk you away as you tour Gastos from the smallest of size. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure is a 4D attraction and has various smells as you race through the kitchen with Remy, making you feel a part of the action. There's even a part of the ride where you feel the heat coming off from one of the burners. Don't worry, you're not going to get burned. Throughout the ride, guests will see so many things from a completely new perspective. Being the size of a rat, guests will not only see massively sized food, but will also just see how hard it is to be a rat. This ride is perfect for guests of all ages and will be sure to be a hit amongst the whole family. Now, while the ride is new and awesome, don't forget to check out the new expansion of the France Pavilion while you're there. This new section is where the ride is located and includes new storefronts and is home to the new restaurant, La Crêperie de Paris. This restaurant offers authentic and delicious French cuisine ranging from galettes to crepes, savory to sweet, and both very delicious. La Crêperie de Paris offers both quick service and table service. That way, whether you're on the go or looking to dine in, there's options for everyone. And of course, it wouldn't be a theme park without plenty of themed merchandise. Within the France Pavilion, guests can see carts full of Ratatouille-inspired merch, ranging from chef hats to apparel, to a cute little Remy or Emile of your very own. There's plenty of merchandise to go around. With Remy's Ratatouille Adventure chef hat, the chef toque lights up when worn, revealing a shadow of Remy inside the hat, pulling on strands of hair, just as he did to Alfredo Linguini in the Ratatouille movie. How's he gonna pull hair on me? After going through the shadow displays on the hat, Chef Remy himself actually pops up at the top of the tote. Super cute. In the France Pavilion, you can also find your own Remy or Emile. Using a magnet and remote control system, they can hang out on your shoulder or run across your shirt. Perfect for the biggest Ratatouille fan. Or if you're just wanting to scare your sibling, do that. And hey, let's talk about Mickey ears. Right in the France Pavilion, guests can get their own set of Remy ears, giving guests giant rat ears in place of the mouse's, and a chef toque in the middle of a tiny little Remy nose and whiskers peeking out. Now, whether you end up going on Remy's Ratatouille Adventure or not, you should, there's definitely something in the France Pavilion for everyone to enjoy. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. That's it for today. You guys have a great one. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.